Hi everyone, I'm here again with some healthy recipe that are oats idli or cakes you can say. These are some of the oats which I have taken and will blend it to make a powder. This is semolina, that is suji, around half cup I am taking over here. These are some of the ingredients which I have already mentioned in the ingredient section. Please have a look on this, and it is so colorful that I cannot wait to even make it. Here in a bowl I am going to pour entire powdered oats, which is 1 cup. You can take any of the oat which is there at your home and make a powder out of it. I'm going to put this. Now I'm going to pour suji, that is semolina, half cup into the bowl, and curd also, which is half cup. Make sure that your curd is not too sour. Here are onions which are finely chopped. Few carrots are there which are finely chopped again. You can add on any of the vegetable, but these two goes very well with these idlis. And coriander leaves also I'm going to drop. Isn't it looking very colorful? This is one of the healthy breakfast you can have in the morning, and even in the evening in the snack time you can have it. Now mix it, add some water slowly and gradually to make a batter of it. You should not make very thin batter. Just like other idlis, you have to make batter of moderate consistency so that it doesn't get dropped from the idli plates. Slowly add batter into it like this. Now to give them more flavor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare their tempering mix. For that I have taken a small pan over here and I'll drop olive oil into it. Once it will get heated up, add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, that are sarso seeds. You can even go for rai, and these are some of the curry pattas, curry leaves you can say. It is 8 to 10 in number. And now I'll add salt to it. Salt you are going to add according to your taste, and put the entire tempering mixture over your idli batter. Give it a mix. It will give you flavors, it will give you fragrance of the regular tadka idlis which you make at home, and once you will eat it, you will never feel that you are eating oats. Now I'm going to put pinch of baking soda to it, and fruit salt, Eno fruit salt, that is 1 teaspoon, and you have to add it just before you're about to pour the idli batter onto the idli plates, not before that. I'll grease it again with the olive oil, these idli plates, and I will pour this batter which I have prepared onto it. Now I'll put it in the cooker to get it steamed. Like your regular idlis can be made in about 5 to 10 minutes, but these will take little bit more time, like 10 to 15 minutes. In 10 to 15 minutes it will be ready. After 10 minutes I'll show you. I'll get idlis like this. They are very soft, very healthy and nutritious and tasty too. Try it at home. Now I'm going to show you how it looked like. See, it is very soft. Enjoy it with your family. Try it at home and mention in the comment how did you like my recipe. These are very soft, healthy oats idli which is healthy for your body and heart. Enjoy the recipe.